did it the other way, they'd have to put the engines up further to get to the shaft to roll, you know.
Well, that's a tricky operation.
Until it's like that, off of there.
Get above his shoulder.
We don't want to pull too hard.
He's gone?
Nah, he's still on the back up here so you can put it on his shoulder.
Back up here, but second shot.
Good job, Dad.
Right behind you, David. How do you feel catching a fish, Tabitha?
Yeah.
Huh? How does it feel? Is this your first fish, Tabby?
Yeah.
It is your first fish?
Oh, it's a big one.
Are you gonna reel it in?
Yeah.
All right.
You know, when that planer board gets to the tip, I took his butt.
Trevor, come over here in case Tabby need help. Huh? That's your grandbaby right there.
Come on, I want to eat you.
Oh, that's a nice one. You see her coming in? Make sure you mark it. Keep nothing.
Ooh, he's fighting.
There.
Oh, yeah.
Yay! Tabby?
Yay!
Tabby, will you be eating this for dinner?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, all right. The vegetarian works for her food. Can we get a picture of him, Captain?
Yep. Just get him off the hook here.
All right.
Something so little can be so tough.
Hold it tight.
Looking like a
She
camera,
wants it
Mom.
too.
Back up, Mom.
Hey, Mom.
You got it, Mom?
Coming in.
All right, we got the support of your husband. You getting it done? Come on. You got it, Mom. Pick the rod and reel up, Mom. Top part. There you go.
Yeah, just like that. Keep it up.
Come on, little bitty fish he
had, don't worry about it.
Oh.
Oh.
Look at jumping way out.
Whoa, she got a big one.
Oh my goodness.
Look at these people over here sneaking in on us.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, watch.
Oh.
See that?
Yeah.
Let him kind of clear himself out a little bit.
He's coming in.
Well, that's why, you know, a lot of people say, well, it's not coming in. I'm like, well, it's no bluegill or perch you got there. It's all the 10, 20 pound salmon you got there. So take your time with them.
Mom.
George.
Mom.
Oh, I'm good. I'm watching. You go for it.
You need me to come down
We got some snacks in the cooler. We need dinner.
We're looking for the guy.
I got that on video and it's a picture.
Don't bump the rod, Dave.
Perfect right here. Here's what you on the picture. I haven't seen him jump like this.
Huh? No, not yet. Ah. Getting closer.
Sounds like it.
Oh yeah, no doubt about that. You guys see the hooked up back there? He's right behind us. Check out the car right past them.
Yeah.
Wait, did they just circle back and now they're coming this way?
Yeah.
Power back right.
He thinks we're in a school.
Yeah.
He thinks, man, he got another one on. There's our massive boat, they got a fish on.
They really watch, don't they?
Well, they do. Every time we're here, we do the same thing too, you know. We're all fishing.
Oh,
Go to the harbor and find it.
It's getting tougher right now?
I thought it was good. I had to give him another transport.
Oh, that thing is huge. We got him. Oh, yeah. Come over. We got two fish at the same time. Wait, hurry. Hold on, man. Cameraman and the fish catcher. Here we go.